Fresh arrival, folks. It is a 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage. The model number is 40CCK. This is their most popular model being sold. 2024, we got some new features. Folks, if you know anything about park models, Cedar Creek is one of the very best you can buy. Aluminum construction, walls, floors, ceiling. We got Vixenite floors. What is Vixenite floors? Essentially, it's a very hard plastic for the floors, for the slide outs. Amazing. So, will not mildew, water resistant. Love it. Check out the beautiful fiberglass front cap. Of course, we still have the tape on the windows for protection. Those two 30-pound propane tanks will be filled up. Does come with a power awning, outside speakers. Oh, let's go in, folks. Oh, love it. All right, that table does extend. We got daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Thomas Paine power theater seats directly in front of that TV. Extra wide sofa because it does have the extra wide body. That does convert into a very nice bed. Fireplace does throw out some heat. We got an extension here. You can put a couple bar stools right there if you wanted to. Look at this beautiful oven. 3-burner stove. Furrion microwave. Lots of storage. It's farm style stainless steel sink. Take a look at the fridge, folks. Nicer than the one in the house. Tray number 1. Tray number 2 with a nice maker. And ta-da! Cedar Creek. They think of everything. Take a look at this beautiful pantry. There's a lock right here, and it's magnetized, or it's held there with a magnet. So go ahead and pull it. Wowzers. Storage galore. Beautiful wood. Towel holder. I definitely see a coffee maker right here. All right, bathroom next. No messing around here, folks. Porcelain toilet. Super tall ceilings with a vent. Medicine cabinet. One-piece fiberglass shower. Nice LED strip light up there. Awesome. All right, the very, very back of the coach, we got ourselves a master bedroom to die for. Absolutely, that's a king-size bed. In the slide-out, you got opposing windows for great cross-ventilation. We got a Cadet electric heater for the extra heat. Little spot here for your jewelry. Another TV. Huge closet here out back with a cordless rechargeable vacuum cleaner. Here. Huge closet, or you could put a washer and dryer in here. That's right, folks. You could live in this thing. Folks, these are $30,000 or $40,000 more than most of the competition. But folks, with aluminum construction, Vixenite floors, fit and finish like you've never seen before, they're worth every penny. Please give one of our salespeople a call today. Book your appointment. We will get this coach ready for you. And hopefully you'll take it home. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751. Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.